Hi everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a heartwarming story that exemplifies the power of love and resilience. A man had fallen seriously ill, to the point where he could no longer walk. His illness also affected his ability to eat, often causing food to slip from his grasp onto the floor. His mother, with unconditional love, dedicated her time and effort to caring for her son every day. One day, they decided to visit a cafe. As they sat down and began to eat, the man's condition manifested once more. As food slipped from his plate, a nearby couple observed this and expressed their disdain. Unable to contain their anger, they criticized the man, asking rudely,
"What's wrong with you?"
Despite the disturbance, the man's mother remained calm, choosing to ignore the couple's impolite remarks. However, the couple didn't stop there. They continued to display their dissatisfaction and anger, labeling the man as
disgusting.
Despite their unjustified words, the man's mother refrained from reacting negatively. Witnessing this, the cafe owner felt outraged and demanded that the couple leave the premises immediately. The owner's action resonated with the entire cafe, who felt offended and proud of the mother's actions. He called the man's mother to stand up, embraced her hand, and led them to the center of the cafe. He exclaimed loudly,
"This is how all mothers should be."
The entire cafe erupted into seriously applause and cheers, acknowledging the mother's unconditional love.
The story of a mother's unconditional love, the power of patience and resilience, highlights important values in life. Despite facing criticism and disdain from a couple in the cafe, the mother remained calm and continued to care for her son patiently. The strong reaction from the cafe owner and the support from other customers in the cafe demonstrate the power of community solidarity. Finally, recognizing and appreciating acts of kindness, no matter how small, is important for fostering a compassionate and understanding community.
Let's take a moment to reflect on the profound lessons learned from this story. In a world often filled with judgment and negativity, may we all strive to embody the unconditional love, compassion, and unity showcased in today's narrative. Share your thoughts and experiences on unconditional love and community support in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates on new videos. Your support is appreciated.